Welcome back, friends. Let us see a small scenario in DataWeave. It's interesting. Let me share my screen. So hope you guys are able to see my screen. Yeah, it's a very small scenario. Like if the requirement is like this. The entire address is given in a string. There are two addresses information, and the expected output is like into street, city, and zip. We need to divide the address into three parts: street, city, and zip. So how we can do that? We can do that using a splitBy operator. Let's see that. So I just removed this one. W 2.0 output JSON. And now from the input, I'm just putting the payload. My payload is good. Payload, I want to iterate over the payload map. And the purpose was, for meaningful purpose, I'm changing it to ADDR. Now, ADDR. Now I'm iterating over that two addresses. The first field in the output is a street. I put the street. How I get the street? Now, ADDR is a full string, full address string. And I need to split this one, right? Split this one. What is the separator? So if you see, the comma is the separator between the in the address. It divides the street, city, and zip. So ADR split by ADR is the entire this object. ADR dot address split by, and if you comma, see, now the three parts again: street, city, and zip. So street represents the 0th index, so I am putting as a 0, right? Just I execute over like this, so that properly takes a 0. And the second is a city. City, I copy, paste, and I change whatever the required. So city, and finally there's a zip, and same one. So for city, it is a index 1, and the zip, which is a index 2. So I arrived the output. So thank you so much. I will get back to you with more data scenarios. Thank you for watching.